Okay, guys. So let's go and go. We got Louis got some food, and it looks very good.
This is your first time at this restaurant. What's it called? It's called The Licking.
No,
The Licking.
It's very fire. And we got everything really special.
What about your drink? What's it called?
Our drink is called Mystery drink.
You want to taste it and tell them what it tastes like? It's
Yeah.
your first time tasting it, right?
Yeah.
Mystery drink from The Licking. What do you think about that?
It tastes like ice cream. Now time for Mom to try hers.
Okay. As you can see, that's what we're working with. I've been here before, but this is my son's first time going. He's taking me on a date. Is this a good date?
Yes. Also that.
So, 1 out of 10, what do you give this restaurant? 10 is good, great, and 1 is bad. 1 out of 10, what number would you give it?
Oh, good. I'm looking at 100 out of 200.
Okay.
That restaurant, I'm gonna give it.
Huh?
I'm gonna give that restaurant.
Where?
That one.
The Licking?
No, that one.
Cafe?
Okay. I'm gonna give that one.
All right. Well, the food is really good. Y'all know DJ Khaled is his franchise of The Licking, and it's good. It's really good. Very well seasoned. My son ordered the chicken. I ordered shrimp, but we, you know how we do. We share. Sharing is caring. So, would you tell somebody to come to this restaurant? Should they come? Huh?
Comment the down below if they want to come to this restaurant.
All right. Well, tell them to like and subscribe and share.
Like and subscribe and share.
All right. Samira TV, Optimal Health as well. We out. Peace.